How to make your ringtone into this.
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough.
Open App Store and search for Clicktone. Download, then get the music that you want. Open Clicktone. Click on plus and add the song. Adjust it to your liking. Click on Set Ringtone and share it to GarageBand. Hold on Song. Share it. Ringtone. Add a name for it. And use the sound as standard ringtone. You can also do text tone. Let's see it. Sounds and haptics.
I've been trying to call.